Alright everyone, I got a little update. Got my new exhaust finally put on to my 150. Still got some paneling like that to put back on. Gonna do a little startup and run on it, and then I'll show the little bit of custom work how to do to get this stupid thing to fit. So I'll do the startup now. So yeah, that's the a cheap eBay exhaust put on there. Show a little bit of the custom crap I had to do to it, and as you can see, it's smoking a little bit because it's breaking in the new exhaust. It's the first startup I've done with it. First thing I had to do is it actually came with, I don't know if you can see it or not, two little brackets that were on there. This unit was too big. I had to just slice those right off. I'll probably go back in there and clean those up a little bit. Another thing is the bend wasn't enough. It was actually pushing the muffler into the rear spring there. So what I had to do was actually take it down to a welding shop and have them heat it up and actually bend it. Didn't put too much of a bend. Don't think it's going to restrict flow any. It looks kind of ugly, but you know, gets the job done. And just normal bolt up underneath. And because of the way the flange was, I actually had to turn the exhaust with the tip sideways, which makes me wish I got a round tip instead of an angle tip. But whatever, just have it pointing out the side instead. And for the mount, what I ended up having to do is I went and found some nice straight bar threaded rod and some aluminum tubing, cut it to length, put it in there straight through, threaded it in, tighten it up to hold the clamp, so you got a nice sturdy piece. And yeah, that's about it. Until next time.